beautiful 427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Everything went great. Your description is combination. Obviously, it's got the custom paint job. Absolutely just gorgeous. Borla stack injection, all polished up. Fuel management, obviously Holley Terminator X, great system. Billet Specialties front end on it. Really, just a really sharp motor. Custom hydraulic roller. Some of our custom pistons. Dart block, AFR cylinder heads. Take you in and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,500, 491 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 545, peak horsepower 590. Rated at 600. Front end's usually about 15, so everything runs good. We'll get her off there, get in a crate, come your way.